Hello friends, how are you doing? In today's class, you are going to learn how to use this word, this, and this, okay? And then how to pronounce when they put together with other words, okay? I think this video will help you in pronunciation, how to pronounce them, and how to make the difference between this, and this. I'm coming back to teach you this very important lesson. Welcome back, friends. Let's go now in this lesson. Let's focus on pronunciation of these words. I'm going to focus in the lesson on this, okay? Words that combine with this word. Okay, now how to pronounce, because you know, CH gives most of the time a ch sound, okay? Ch sound. But not only this, sometimes you find a k sound, but people confuse because they think only with ch sound, and people say h because they say h because of ch sound. All right, very often I hear people say ek, like they say edek, okay? I hear very often people say ek. This x sound is not good. It's not good. The pronunciation is ache. If you say itch, it's not the good sound. If you say ek, it's not the good sound at all. You have to pronounce it as ache, okay? It's the correct sound. You say ache, all right? This is ache. You got a k sound as in architect, okay? You say architect, you do not say architect, you say architect. Architect, you say ache for this word. And the second word is hurt. It's a verb. Hurt. 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 It hurts me. Hurt. Hurt. Okay, we say hurt. You got the sound. Hurt. When you stress the H, you say hurt. Okay, hurt. And the third one is sore. Now you can say all of them. You say ache. You say this as hurt. And you say this as sore. Okay? Ache, hurt, sore. Ache, hurt, sore. Can you say after me? You say ache, hurt, sore. Again, ache, hurt, sore, sore, sore. You got a sore. You got a sore. Ache, hurt. Now you can say yourself while watching the video. Okay, you say this as ache, hurt, sore. Congratulations. All right, good. And now, how can I use ache, hurt, and then sore? Okay, this is what you'd like to know, and this is what I'm telling you. You use ache, or ache is a discomfort that continues for some time, or ache. Ache, you feel something. This is a pain. You know, the word pain. If I write it here, I say pain. Pain. You have a pain. Pain means douleur. You have a pain. So when you say ache, signifie douleur, tout ça signifie douleur, fait mal, même fait mal, okay? When you say ache, this is a discomfort that continues for some time, all right? But it's a pain. A pain, when you use pain, now you're talking about a stronger ache. You say ache, and when sometimes you say pain, it's stronger. I have a pain, for example, I have a pain in my back, I have a pain in my throat, I have a pain. You can say pain for everything. Okay, you can say pain. You have a pain. When you pronounce, you say pain. But ache, when you say ache, now you feel not okay, you feel not comfortable. Okay? When you use ache, là, utiliser ache là, lui-même. And now hurt, let's go to hurt. Sometimes it can be a verb or an adjective. You use hurt to talk about pain. You can use hurt and ache to talk about pain you have. All right. Now you can say, for example, you have a hurt or your hand hurts you, that I'm going to talk about after. Now, the third one is sore. You use sore when you're talking about part of your body that is sensitive, easily pained, to talk about that. Like you can have a part of your body that is sensitive, okay, easily pained. Now you can use sore. Now you talk about sore. You can suffer from it, but it's not too difficult. It's not too difficult to support. Now you can talk about sore. All right. You can say for hurt. For hurt, you can say my hand hurts me, or your hand hurts me when you cut yourself, for example, something like that. You say your leg hurts you, your shoulder hurts you, your knee hurts you. All right. You say sore throat when you have a pain in your throat. When you have a pain in your throat or a pain in your eyes and your muscles, you can say I have a sore. Like I have a sore throat, I have a sore eyes, I have sore eyes, and you have sore muscles. You got pain in your muscles. All right. Now you can use that. But the most difficult to pronounce is when words put together with the word ache. Remember, I have been talking about this. People pronounce it as H. No, it's ache, ache. And for example, you can say earache. Okay? When you got a pain in your ear, you say, I have an earache. 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 Ear, ache. Earache. Not earache or erect. No, you do not say that. You say earache. For example, I have an earache. I have to see a doctor. Of course, you should see a doctor. Earache. Earache. Now let's talk about stomach. When you talk about stomach, you talk about this part in your body. If you don't like this word, you can say belly. Okay? You can say belly. You have a pain in your belly or in your stomach. It's not stomach. Okay? It's stomach. You say stomach. You got a pain in your stomach, you say stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. That means you have a pain in your stomach. When you have a pain in your stomach, you can say I have a stomach ache. It's not stomach ache. No. Both sides, you have k sound. Okay? You say stomach ache. Stomach ache sound. Stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Great. Stomach ache. Stomach ache. Now let's go to backache. I made a mistake in back. I correct it, as you can see. Backache is when you have a feeling, when you have a pain, especially a pain in your back. If you're suffering from a pain in your back, you can use this. You can say, I have a backache. You got a pain in your back here. You say, I have a backache. Backache, not backache. Okay? It's backache and not backache. No. This CH doesn't give you a ch sound. It gives you a k sound. You say a backache. And now let's go with this is head plus ache. That means you have a feeling, a bad feeling. You have a pain in your head. When you have a pain in your head, you can use head plus ache. Now, let me help you to pronounce head plus ache. You say headache, not headache. Very often I hear people say headache. It's headache, headache, not headache. Oh, I have a big headache. No, do not say that. Say headache. I have a terrible headache. Okay, a bad pain in your head. Now you say headache. Do you feel a headache? You should go to see a doctor. All right, let me say again. Earache, stomach ache, backache, headache, headache. Great. Now you know how to use ache and how to use hurt. Both of them, you use them to describe pain, and you use sore when you talk about a sensitive, okay, easily pain in your body. You can use sore. I think this lesson is useful. If you love it, and then if you're satisfied, you learn from it, you can leave a comment below to say, or like this video, and then you can share the video to your friends so that they can learn too. All right, it was a big pleasure helping you in this part. Catch me in the next video. Bye-bye.